Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Have a beautiful one for you today. New car dealer trade 14 Infiniti 3.5 QX60. It only has 102,000 miles on it, and it is just as nice as it can be. Been through the shop. We just got it out of the detail shop, so it's been cleaned. The engine's running, super nice. You walk around, let you take a look at it. We've got almost brand new tires on it. I didn't put those on, they were already on there. Interior is beautiful. Just got a couple little interior reconditioning things to do, which I'll show you. It will be done in a day or two, but the car's ready to be seen and driven. Don't think I showed you the sunroof. Nice leather, everything's in good shape. Third row seating back there. Well, where's the button? There's the button. Just a little bit of wear on the steering wheel right here. My guy does a beautiful job refinishing those steering wheels. When you see the car, it will look like brand new. The leather's not worn or anything, just the color's worn off a little bit. Probably from us cleaning it. And we're going to dust in the edge of the seat right here. You can see the leather is in perfect condition, just the color's a little bit faded. And we need to clean the floor mat. My guys in the shop got the floor mat dirty again, so we got to clean that up. Door panel is excellent. Everything is good. Really, really nice car. Good budget-friendly luxury SUV with 3 rows. As always, you can get me on my cell anytime. Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. When you come look at one of our cars, you're going to find it doesn't stink, it doesn't rattle, it doesn't shake, it doesn't vibrate. It's been fully serviced, all the fluids are done, and the cars need nothing. They're ready to drive. Give me a call. I appreciate you guys shopping. Thanks so much and have a great day.